Hey Riley, this is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. Just shooting you over that video about how you can improve your online presence. So just taking a look at first thing that pops up at on your website is, of course, you have your email, you have your Facebook. I got confused by this quite a bit. I know your location is in Knoxville, but this says West Springfield, so that kind of confused me. Maybe second guess for a little bit. Then you have a click to call, which is awesome. Having one in your page so they can get on the phone with you as quickly as possible once they get to your site. And then, of course, what you're all about, the type of flooring you do, and of course, more of your flooring options. Now, it is a one-page website, so you are putting it all on a single page. Even still, I'm not seeing a ton of content. So I'm seeing a lot of pictures, which is really nice. Done really good work. However, what Google is truly looking for nowadays is 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage itself. And that's excluding if you have other pages. Now, the reason for this is so you can put organic keywords throughout your site. Now, what an organic keyword is a buyer intent word that someone's putting into Google in order to find your exact service. Now, before we get into that, let's check behind the scenes of your website and see what's going on. So we put in your site, out pops your rankings. So two things we look for, or the two main things we look for, is the UR rating and the DR rating. So the UR rating is the strength of your website. As you can see, that's no data. The DR rating is the trust Google places in your website, and that's 0. The reason being is because of backlinks. Now, what a backlink is any link that leads from another website back to yours. Now, another website would be called another referring domain. So as you can see, you have 6 different websites giving 86 links back to yours. It's just they're not very powerful links, I'm going to be honest. Or did you just add them? That could be another thing too. They haven't started working yet. However, another thing that you're missing are those organic keywords, those buyer intent words throughout your site. Now, as you can see, you have 0 of them. So even if you had the strongest website in the world, you wouldn't be ranking for anything because you have no keywords. So let's check out what a great keyword would be. Flooring Knoxville, Tennessee. Someone's putting this in, they're looking for a flooring service. First thing up is your Google guaranteed. These are the people that are paying Google to say, hey, this is a great business. So if you click on this, call them, then they get charged every connected call. And then of course you have your GMB, which is super important to get on because the Google Map Pack, 30 to 40% of all people will stop right here and pick one of these 3 people because that is just the easiest thing to do. And of course, they're the top 3, so they must be good. Not necessarily how it works, but hey, most people don't know that. Now, then you're going to have your organic rankings. This is by strength of website. So the strongest person in Knoxville right now, we're looking at Flooring America. So let's take a look at their website. So Flooring America, they have their header with all their drop-down menus to their other pages, all the different tiles and floors they work with. They have a nice click to call, which is awesome. And then, of course, they are a store, which allows them to have a bigger website in itself just because they sell different tiles. They don't just install it. However, that doesn't mean you can't beat them out for both. So as you can see, they don't have a ton of content either. They do have multiple pages. They do have a lot of stuff working for them, but they don't have a lot of content on their home page. Now, let's check behind the scenes and see why they're ranking number 1. So put them in. They have a strength of 25 and a trust of 1.6. So their strength is really good. Their trust is only not that good. Now, ideally, we want these in between 30 and 40. But what they are doing really well is their backlinks. So as you can see, they have almost 700 different backlinks going to their site. Only 52 referring domains, but they have a lot of backlinks from that. Another thing they have really well are their keywords. So let's check what they are. So Flooring Knoxville, Tennessee, as you saw, I put that in. 400 people are searching that a month. They're in the second position, which is the first organic position, as you saw. they're getting almost 90 traffic from that one word, from ranking for that one word. Knoxville Flooring, 200 people, they're getting 30 people, almost over 10% of the traffic of that one keyword. Flooring Knoxville, 200, same deal. It's about 10%. This is almost 25% of the traffic. That's insane. So if we were looking to beat them out, first things first, you need good backlinks. The great thing is you have a roadmap. You know that Flooring America, I'm pretty sure, yeah, Flooring America has some kick-ass backlinks because they're ranking number one. So if you take those backlinks, add them to yours, you'll start seeing that your DR go up. As well as you need that content. You need 1,500 to 2,000 words with those buyer intent words. I would also add more pages. I'm going to be honest, add a page for each service. And each of those service pages, you want to add around 500 to 750 words explaining that service while peppering in keywords. And that'll help by showing Google that you're organically ranking, you're trying to organically rank for these words, and you're not like just forcing it. And they'll say, hey, this person deserves to rank for these keywords. And good keywords mixed with a strong website will allow you to start seeing that organic traffic come through it, and you'll start seeing calls coming through your website. Now, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach back out to me. And if you can leave some feedback, that would be awesome. You have a blessed rest of your day.